Before you install a motion sensor light, there's one small wiring mistake that makes it stay on all the time, or not work at all. Most people get this wrong. In this video, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step setup, which wire goes where, how to mount it properly, and how to avoid blowing the breaker. And at the end, I'll test it live so you can see the difference between a wrong install and a perfect one. If you want it working flawlessly the first time, no guessing, no callbacks. Stick around. Let's wire this the right way.